If your dog struggles with anxiety, barking, or stress, the Dog Calming Pheromones Diffuser Kit offers a natural way to bring peace back to your home. Using unique pheromone technology, this diffuser helps calm up to 90% of dogs within just 2 weeks, creating a safe and soothing environment your pet will appreciate. This 6-in-1 kit includes 2 plug-in diffusers and 4 48 ml refills, designed to last up to 120 days. Recommended by veterinarians, it covers up to 700 square feet, making it ideal for most homes. The diffuser works continuously, helping your dog reduce aggression, destructive chewing, and separation anxiety without any harsh chemicals or strong scents. What sets this diffuser apart is its gentle, quality ingredients that mimic a mother dog's natural calming pheromones. This means your pet experiences real comfort and relaxation, leading to better sleep and less nervous energy. It's a subtle yet effective way to improve your dog's overall well-being and strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. Beyond calming anxiety, this diffuser tackles a wide range of stress triggers. Whether your dog is scared of thunderstorms, fireworks, vet visits, or travel, the pheromones send reassuring signals that help ease fear and tension. It's a versatile solution that works quietly in the background, letting your dog feel safe and secure no matter the situation. To get the best results, place the diffuser where your dog spends the most time. Avoid hiding it behind furniture or in unventilated spots to ensure the calming pheromones spread effectively. This simple step can make a noticeable difference in your pet's behavior and mood. If you're looking for a proven way to reduce your dog's anxiety without medication, this calming pheromone diffuser kit is worth a look. It offers long-lasting relief, easy use, and a natural approach to managing stress in dogs of all ages and sizes. Try the Dog Calming Pheromones Diffuser Kit when you're ready to help your pet feel more relaxed and content. It's a thoughtful investment in your dog's happiness and your peace of mind.